guys, I'm Garrett with Modern Roofing. Today we're going to be doing a repairability test on a roof. The insurance company in this case is Allstate. So in order to get this done today, you're going to need a few tools. The first one being a putty knife. This tool is used to separate the shingles from the roof and break the seal in a way that doesn't damage the shingles. Second tool you're going to need is a pry bar. You're going to use this along with a hammer to pry up the shingle to pull the nails out and not damage any shingles additionally as well. You need two other items. You're going to need a new shingle that we're going to put back into place of the old one, and some roofing nails to install it properly. Alright guys, so the first step is we want to find the shingle that we want to remove. So the first thing we're going to do, if you'll come a little closer, is we're going to pry up one shingle, one tab. We want to find where the shingle begins and ends. So obviously this is the middle of the shingle, so we want to keep searching. Here, right here, you can see this line. This line shows that this shingle is a new shingle. This is the shingle that we want to pry out. This is a 3-tab shingle, so this 1, 2, 3 is the full shingle. In order to get this shingle out properly, we're going to break the seals of the 4 tabs above this, and then we're going to remove these 3 seals. So let's go ahead and do that. So now we have the shingle we want to remove is separated from the shingle below it, and the seal above the shingle is also loose. So we're good to go ahead and begin taking out nails. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to slip the pry bar here under the shingle we're removing and get it underneath this nail here. We're going to pull this nail out along with the 4 nails sitting here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This will release this shingle and make it be able to pull right off the roof, and we can put a new one back in its place. So in order to find those nails, I'm going to lift this tab up, insert my pry bar right underneath that nail, give it a few taps, and pry that nail out. We're going to keep going until we get to all 4 nails in the shingle is completely loose. Alright, now we're ready to remove this shingle. Go ahead and just grab it near the bottom here. Give it a pull. You can see it's coming loose. Kind of slowly work its way out. Bam. We got the shingle completely removed. We're ready to install the new shingle back in its place. So we got a 3-tab shingle, just like it was on the roof originally. We're going to slip it back underneath the tabs. We're going to move this shingle. Okay, so now, there's a few important things here to note. Number 1, this shingle does not fit like the original shingle did. These tabs are different sizes, and they're not going to go back on the same nail line. That's a good thing in this case because it shows that this roof is not repairable in its original condition. What's important though, is we want to install the nails. We want to install the nails along the proper nail line here. As you can tell, they will not match the original nail line, and that is okay. We're showing Allstate in this case that this roof cannot be repaired, that it needs to be replaced. Okay, so just like the original shingle, we're going to put 4 nails back into this shingle. The first one will be about 1 inch in on the left. The second will be about 1 inch in on the right. The other 2 will be right above the creases. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, it's also really important how you display to Allstate how we are folding these tabs when we are replacing these nails. You want to take the back of your hand and slide it underneath this shingle. And hold it with the back of your hand as you nail. This puts the shingle about 45 degrees and give you just enough leverage to swing that hammer. There's the first one. Go ahead and put this one in place. Again, use the back of your hand. Make sure the shingle's as high up as it can go. 2. 3. And 4. Okay guys, so what you're going to notice is that the shingle is now properly back installed. You can see the gap where it didn't fit the original shingle that was on the roof. The nails are underneath the existing shingles. However, where we did do the replacement, you can see the damage caused on the shingles above it. These are now damaged shingles. Installing this new shingle makes the shingles above it damaged and would mean that we would also have to repair these. What we're doing is proving that the roof cannot be repaired by adding new shingles, that it has to be completely replaced on these facets.